did they actually turn this Porsche into electric? Is it unlocked?
Yeah, you can open up. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm with
Tim from Retro Electric.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Mohammed here as well. I came across a very interesting Porsche that I thought I'll show you guys as well. Do you mind telling us more about what's going on here?
Yeah, come and have a look. So the giveaway is going to be right here, guys. Look, this is a Porsche 912 that is now electric. So it's got AC, DC fast charging. It's got the most stunning houndstooth interior. If you go to the business end at the back, you have got 42 kilowatt hours of battery. So you've got about 180 miles range.
That's right. A Porsche, a classic vintage Porsche 912, converted from an ICE to EV.
100%
Have you ever seen
electric.
anything like this before? I haven't. Yeah. And then what did you say? You took the process. What you took out the engine, the gearbox.
That's right. Internal combustion parts gone.
Yeah.
Gearbox gone. Engine gone.
Yeah.
You've got an integrated motor gearbox now. So 220 horsepower, 350 newton meters.
Yeah.
But it's a 10-to-1 reduction box. So it's got plenty of go in that as well.
How high does it rev? What's the RPM?
16,000 RPM.
16,000.
Yeah.
It could launch pretty quickly.
It launches pretty quick with little 15-inch wheels and tyres on it. Yeah, for sure.
Or 15-inch wheels.
Yeah. Classic. Correct size.
Yeah, let's back. Yeah, we have the 912 on there as well. Like, if they didn't open the boot,
You wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know.
Yeah, not until you drive away. You're not going to know.
Even the reg, there's no green sticker on it.
Oh no.
So you
Classic sticker.
How does that work actually in terms of registration with DVLA?
Yeah.
Do you report it or?
Yeah. So this is fully. If you look at the reg number, it'll be fully compliant. It will say EV as its fuel source. So
EV.
yeah,
so you can
absolutely.
even change that. So what was that process like?
What, for the DVLA?
Yeah, just selling. Hey,
not too bad. You just got to like tell them what you've done, and they come and have a look at it, and you're all good.
How long is the whole conversion from a combustion engine to?
For this particular one, I mean, it was about 10 to 12 weeks, I'm going to say. It'll be quicker next time. We've got a lot of the design work all sorted out now. So, yeah, next 912 will be it'll be nice and quick.
Yeah. Let's see the inside.
Yeah, getting in.
Is it open? Yeah, there we go. Nice classic interior. Analog everything.
That's right.
Now, that's a very good question, actually. You still have a...
It's a little gear stick.
Gear stick.
Give it a try. It only goes forward and backwards. So that it's a switch. It's a forwards, middle's neutral, back's reverse. But it feels mechanical, right? It feels
it feels like there's something in the way.
Yeah. Not a little like knob or switch something you just turn. It's a proper. And that's the original gear knob too, as you can tell, because it's got a bit of patina on there.
If you come on the other side, you open the door. Sorry. Yeah. What's the the mileage on this actually?
Oh, that's a good question. I know. Have a look.
We are looking at.
So let's say 324. I know 50,000.
50,000 mileage. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you come around and look at the interior. Yeah, the analog displays over there. I'm assuming is that airbag in there?
no airbag on this one.
Yeah, it would be too small for that little circle to have an airbag.
It's got a nice small steering wheel, but no airbag.
Yeah. Just put next to the gearbox down there, that little digital, what's that?
Little screen, so that just gives you a little bit more information. That'll give you your range, percentage of battery left.
I was wondering what that was, yeah.
It actually, all these gauges work, so you actually get your fuel range is actually shown up here too. But it's, it's a sweep gauge. It gives you, you can't get an exact percentage off that, whereas this will give you 73% battery or whatever it might be.
So wait, so this
that'll work too. Yeah, these will all work too.
The battery level?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, fuel in this case is electricity.
And the temperature is also not the combustion temperature anymore. Why is that now?
Yeah, you get motor temperature now.
Yeah.
You get RPM, still RPM, and a clock is still a clock.
Yeah. Are we able to start it up?
Yeah, you can start it up. It won't make any sound though.
No, just to see what it looks like here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Keys there. So what you got to do, you got to put a foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Is it in neutral?
Neutral now.
Foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Crank it for a second, and then that is now
live.
Yeah.
So if you look over here, camera, that looks like these are the different gear selectors retrofitted into this as well. You have the temperature of the battery, the voltage, the RPM, the battery charge, drive, neutral, reverse. That's pretty much all you need to know. Everything else is still Porsche.
Yeah, even it's got the PCCM. Oh, I'll tell you one other little secret. If you open up the glove box there, you've got a tractive 5-stage semi-active suspension system.
Wow.
So this will give you 5 programmable from like really soft to track mode, and it's semi-active, so it'll react itself when you go over bumps and load up corners.
So you had to take out the suspension of the vehicle to do this?
Yes, it's coilover conversion.
Coilover conversion?
Yeah, not a torsion bar anymore.
Wow.
Pretty fancy.
This is very fancy, very interesting. This is an interesting vehicle. And the key has a classic
middle position to come out.
Yeah. This is what it looks like. It's pretty much like a house key, similar to maybe a shed, but this is what it looked like back then. Yeah, well, this is fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, pleasure, yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Have you got any socials people can find you on?
Yeah, Retro Electrics. You can find us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Maybe TikTok soon, eh?
I might send some Porsche haters your way.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right.
All right, cheers, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, cheers.
Thanks, mate.